Looking at the honeycomb floor where it meets up with the rear seat bulkhead. You can see the plastic goes underneath this joint. Looking underneath the rear seat at the honeycomb floor, and this is all covered in plastic. You can see some areas where I've sanded it off, but you can see it actually has a slightly different color, and I believe someone actually tried to iodine it. And the bulkhead just in front of the flap torque tube is raw aluminum, has no plastic or any other coating on it.